am here today to show you guys how to make a simple, easy DIY warming rice bag from home. So I don't know about you guys, but we always have a ton of socks laying around our house. So the first thing we're going to do is pick an odd mismatched sock that we think is going to do the best trick for our warming bag. So a couple of tips: the bigger the sock, the better. Makes a nice neck warming bag. The fuzzier the sock, usually that means that the stitch in the fabric is a lot looser, so a lot more holes and more chances for those rice grains to come out, so not your best option. So today I've decided that I'm going to go with a men's tube sock, and let's get going. So now that I've picked out my sock, I need to get the rest of my materials. We're going to need some plain, simple, easy rice. I like to add an essential oil. Today we're going to use lavender. It helps with sleep. So when those aches and pains or troubles sleeping come your way, you can wrap yourself up with your cozy warm bag and the nice soothing scent of lavender and get some sleep. We are going to have some needle and thread, but as well as just some twine for the no-sew version. And to help stuff your sock, you might want a pop bottle cut in half or a funnel, something to help the rice go in without a huge mess. Alright, so now we have the rice and the essential oil added into our sock, and here comes our options for closing the sock. So the no-sew method is some nice kitchen twine or hemp string, and we're just going to tie that where we want to make the closure, and we just really want to make sure that we're tying it really tight with a really good secure knot. Go around it a few times to make sure that there's no loose ends for that rice to sneak out. Or if you feel okay with the needle and thread, you can go ahead and stitch it closed and then tie your twine for extra measure around the outside. Okay, so with some odd socks laying around our house, some rice from the grocery store, a little essential oil, and my sewing kit, I was able to build us a DIY warming bag. Now, to warm it up, get cozy, and relax.